Move, keeping our white on top as normal. We're going to bring one side down, move the bottom to the left once, bring this side back up, move the bottom to the left again, bring this side down, and you're going to go left, left. Bring it back up. Look at our bottom. Still have this T thing. We're going to do it again though. Down, left, up, left, down, left, left. Very fun move. At the bottom, down, left, up, left, down, left, left, up. There we go. Now we have our fish. Now, fish like friends. So we are going to look at the fish's nose, which is this piece right here, and we're going to point his nose towards his friends. So here would be orange and green. So we're going to find his friends. Oh, there we go. Fishy found his friends. And we're going to put that towards our right side, over here. Now, we're going to do the move again. So bring it down, and the left side down, bottom right, left up, bottom right, left down, bottom right, right. And bring it back up. We have the fish again. So we need to do it one more time. So look for the fish's nose again. I'm keeping my white on top. Here's the fish's nose. Okay. So orange and green again. So we got to rotate that again. And now the fishy is pointing towards his friends. So he's good. So we'll put that in towards your right. Bring the left side down. Bottom right. Left up. Bottom right. Left down. Bottom right. Right. Whoops. Right, right. Left up. Okay, look at our rhythm. It's finally complete.